Everyone have typed your name, I think so. So this is of about your class today. Filling the tables only. Have you done all numbers? Chapter 5, Diversity in Living Organisms. Bhagwati from Sangareddy branch. Yes, good morning. So everyone students, page number 50, have you done this one? Why so? Why you haven't done? Okay. Yes students, many are watching this video. Have you done table activity 1 and activity 2? Why not? Have you done all members? Why? Everyone please give reply here. Why you have not done? Staying at your homes, no. So it is your duty to do these activities. If you won't do, how I can explain for you? Okay, Akshaya, good morning. Raghavendra, good morning. Are you able to see the board? Monocots? You have done? Sharad Babu. Yes, you have done. What you have observed? Okay. So actually from the two tables, if you observe that length of the nodes, it may differ. But it is about the plants, observation of plants. We can make the plants into two types. Okay students? Okay? We can make the, so they have given about flower, no? So flowering plants, these are flowering plants students. Monocots and dicots. Monocots means single seeds students. Single seed. These are double cords are present. Okay, are you able to see students? If you have done the activity, it will give you experience students, so that you will easily understand. It will get directly into your mind. Okay, we are discussing about the plants, that is only flowering plants we are discussing. Some they won't flower also. In the plants, now is it clear? Single seed and it is your problem only students. Why always you are saying not? Yesterday also you said same only. Yesterday also you have said same students. Yeah, might be. Shall I do on and off the lights and let us see, okay? Is it okay, students, now? Okay, no problem. Ignore that light condition. Let us write differences. You keep monocots and dicots, students. Okay, in your textbook also you can write. Monocots means what? The seeds are present only single. Like for example, if you see, if you take a paddy, maize, paddy single. This side it is not clear, I think so. This one is bit clear. Hey, no need of page number, Nana. You take 50 page number, our lesson start. But I used to say, if you observe monocot plants, monocot means, for example, I select only one for you. If you observe, what is that? Paddy. Okay, in that paddy, if you observe first leaf, the leaf will be parallel venation. They are long in structure, not in group. Only one will be present. Only one leaf at one node will arise. Everyone, are you listening, students? If you take a paddy, paddy, and next maize, and next corn. Corn means what we call jowar, bajra, ragi, like that finger millets. If you know that all, you can observe only one leaf will come at one node. Only one leaf. That is also very long in nature. Okay. Have you seen about paddy and also maize? Have you observed? And corn, jowar, bajra. What we call in Telugu? First one is rice plant. Second one is maize plant, that is godumalu, and third one is what we call jonnalu, that is nothing but jowar and bajra, isn't it? So many, either of all this you have you seen any one like paddy also? It is enough. So how the seeds, if you open the seeds, only one is present, If you beat them, only one it is present. Observe corn, Corn, only one seed, isn't it? Seed have no cots. Okay, one seed, single cot is present in the seed. But if you take, what is that? Bengal grams. After beating that seed only we will get two cots. What we call in Telugu, I will say kandipappu, pesarpappu, minapappu, sheniyapappu. In Hindi I don't know, like moong dal, what we call moong dal, tuar dal, like that. I am not familiar with Hindi language mostly. But also I try to say, what is that? Red gram, Bengal gram. They are seed only. What we call the single one, we call seed only. But if you beat that, you will get two cots. Okay. So monocots and dicots. Is it clear? If you observe monocot plant, the leaves are very long in nature, like lean, long. They will be somewhat. When compared with the dicot plant leaves, they will be long. Yeah, if you observe, what is that? Tuar dal, that is nothing but a red gram. Kandipappu tree. Now it is the season of that, If you observe, many leaves are present in a group. Many leaves are present in group, not single. But if you observe paddy plant, only one leaf at one place. Only one leaf will come. This side one leaf, this side, like sugarcane. If you have observed, one leaf like that. Okay. All the what we can say? All the monocots, they will be having same. What is that? Single cots, and leaves are only one at one place. At one node, only one leaf will come. But if you observe dicot plants, many leaves, group of leaves will come. Means one node, one bunch of leaf will come. In that on sides you will see leaflets. So many you can count like that, isn't it? So the familiar character. So next character is about root system, students. Root system. What is that? If you observe monocots, if you pluck, you are seeing small fiber like root hairs are present. That is nothing but what is that? Fibrous root system or adventitious root system. Small, only group it will be present. If you have a rice plant near to your home or fields, you can pluck one plant, and if you observe, for every monocot plants, you will be observing that adventitious roots or fibrous roots are present. Okay. Yes, this is Abhiram from Manteni branch, KTR school. Yes, Abhiram, good morning. I usually say that my native place is Peddapalli, dear students, near to Godarkani. Have you know about that place? I think so. Karimnagar district, near to Godarkani. My native place is there. Okay, I am from that place only, but I am not teaching from that place. I belong to that place, I mean to say. Okay, which lesson? Fifth lesson. Okay. Why the tables was given? After writing each and every plant, you will come to know that if any plant is having single cord seeds, they will be having the similar characters. You don't know my name. My name is Shilpa. Shilpa Gururaj, MA, MSc, B.Ed. Yeah, from Narangad itself. Which class is this? This is 9th class. Yes. Today you students are making me to laugh. Thank you for this. You have asked my name also, feeling very good. Yes, you are 10th class, but you came to 9th class. No problem. You have already listened 10th class. No. Why you came now? Okay, students. Why we are departed from our lesson? Yes. Listen here. If you observe one plant, and if you are going to fill up that table, in that after completion of that tables you will get this. Means the plants which are having monocots, means single cots, there they are having what? Only one leaf at each node, only one leaf, and the venation is parallel venation. Okay. What is your name? Meena Milky. Your name Meena only? Meena only? Yes, Meena, no problem, no need to say sorry, I have mistakenly come. If you want to listen also, it is no problem, but you will miss other classes of 10th class. Okay, get off from this and you can listen for 10th class. You may miss there. Okay, Meena? No, I am not principal. I am not principal. I am faculty. Okay, students. So monocots are having what? Single seeds. What we call the plants, which are the plants. They have observed. Scientists have observed that the plants which are having same seed, single seed, they are having only one leaf at one node. They have observed like this. Okay, and also only one leaf have come from one node. And if you observe the leaf of all the the particular structure of the leaf, they have examined for each and every single seed plants, and they have revealed that the leaves showed parallel venation. Venation means veins are present. So that veins are parallel. Parallel means in maths you are having parallel. Mid vein means in the middle the vein will come, So parallel means they are present. So they have observed like this. Similar characters they have observed. What is the first character? Monocots means single. The plants which are having single, they have framed into one group. Single seed. And second character is Vinesh. What is that? Leaves. Origin of leaves. Only one leaf originate at one place. And what is the third point, students? What is the third point I have said? Venation. Parallel venation they have observed. And what about roots? Adventitious roots, or what we call fibrous roots. If you have near fields, it is time you can go the fields. Okay. Okay. If you have what we can say, if you have the time, you can go. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow will be Sunday, no? So you can roam in the fields, and once you pluck the paddy plant or anyone, so you can observe the adventitious roots or fibrous roots. Okay, similar to all monocots, they will be similar characters. So they have grouped and named it as monocots. Are you able to see, students? Monocots, and they have grouped such type of plants into monocots. And what about dicots? The plants in this they have observed, no, they are having two cots, and they have observed that from each node group of leaves arises. From each node group of leaves arises. From each node what is arised? A group of leaves arises. They have observed. Next one, they have observed venation, no, reticulate venation. Mostly in your garden also, if you observe leaves, no, they will be having reticulate venation. Okay, what they are having? Reticulate venation is having. And next thing is, if you observe the root system of this dicot plants, no, now the season of this tuar dal, what we call that red gram, Bengal gram, that is today is the yes, parallel venation having fibrous roots, reticulate venation is having Sunday exam is there? No, I think not there. From Tuesday you are having FA2 exams, Nana. So prepare well for that. Okay. At your home also you can do. You take a sprouts of this red gram and Bengal gram and you plant. After some days, only it takes 1 week to become this much height. Only 1 week. Because this is the season, they will grow soon. And in the early stages, fast development you see, fast growth you will see. If you you can pluck one side, you can observe. So just you imagine what is that red gram. Now it is the season, no? If you observe red gram, what we can say, a red gram plant, no? Group of seeds will arise, no? Group of seeds will arise. Group of seeds. Group of leaves will arise from that. So we can conclude that monocot plants means they are having single cots, they are having parallel venation, the leaves are having parallel venation, root is of fibrous root or adventitious root. Roots are of adventitious root and that root. And if you observe the stem also, no, these monocot stems will be having hollow spaces in between and easy to break, students, easy to break. If you observe paddy also, if you touch them, what you feel that something space is present with the stem. If you touch the stem, no, you can easily flexible that stem. Paddy stem, sugarcane stem is more hard. It also belongs to this monocot family only. The thing is, it does not produce what we can say. It does not produce seeds. It belongs to grass family. Grass, sugarcane, grass family. Same like grass only, you know. Grass leaves. How the grass leaves? Same like that only. This paddy, sugarcane, bamboo. But the leaves may be different sizes. Means if the grass you take, they are thin leaves. But if you take of what bamboo leaves or sugarcane leaves, they are broad enough. And if you observe paddy trees, they have grouped into one group. While if you have studied only, if I have said that what monocots means single cell, in all single cell, sorry, not single cell, sorry, I have mistaken. If I say that single cod seeds plants are there, they will be having this type of venation, this type of root system I am saying. And you all know single seed plants. You will think like this: maize, bajra, rice. You will go on thinking like that. And if you observe, you know, every time you need not to go to that place and you have to Saket Reddy, you have not understand about dicots. I will explain you. Every time you need not to go to each and every plant and pluck out and observe the root system. So monocots means only they are having all characters. Just you know only one character, no? You are going on saying without observing also. How much easy? So the scientists or researchers thought that studying each and every character of each and every plant is a difficult task. If we have grouped them in one place and if you study only one at one column, it is easy to collect the knowledge of many plants. Okay, simply if they are monocots, if they are having single cod, you will say for each and single cod are present. So if you know only one character, you can compare with all the plants. Okay, you can compare with all the plants. All monocot plants are having fibrous root system. So every time you no need to study about each and every plant which belong to monocot. Generalized characters you have grouped and you have studied. That is the use of classifying the plants and the various living organisms in only one chart they have made. So they have studied, grouped, named, arranged, rearranged. Still the process is continuing. Still the process is continuing. Okay, so I think when by the name Saket Reddy or Saket Reddy, I don't know, you have not understood dicots. You have said no. Dicots means two cots in one seed. So if you take Bengal gram seeds, that is Shenigelu, Chana dal we call no, usually before getting that dal no, they are come from, by breaking of the seed you will get two cots. So if you observe that type of plants, no, you will observe that at each node means the place where the leaves or where the buds means no flowers, before flowers buds are present, moggalu we call. At the place where new leaf comes is known as node, students. And if you observe dicot plants, no, there at that node group of leaves will come. In which plants? Dicot plants. And if you observe the venation, no, reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means like this, students. If the leaf is present, midrib will come from the midpoint of the leaf, and from the mid leaf all the veins will come. This is known as reticulate venation. What about the root system means tap root system. Main root will come like this. Main root will come like this, only it is present. If you pluck out the roots, no, of if you pluck out dicots, no, you will get these tap roots. Nowadays you can get sugar cane bites, no? Some are very eager to eat the sugar cane. You are plucking from the downs. If you observe, no, group is present like this. Only certain height, this much height only. But if you observe this taproot system, no, deep into the soil it go, much height it will grow, taproot system. But if you observe adventitious root system, fibrous root system, no, it covers only limited space, like this it will go, fibrous fibrous it will like fibrous it will go. Understood, students? Okay, this is about monocots and dicots. And if you observe the flowers, can you differentiate in monocots flowers? So in the monocots, if you observe paddy plant, no, this is the flower actually. In the paddies, you can't take out sepals, petals, you can't differentiate the flowers. Hey, you go back to flashback, students. Once you remember, can you recall the flower of paddy? Have you checked any time? If you observe paddy flowers or maize flowers or what we can say corn flowers. Corn means you know, no? Makka. You can't, they are small enough also. Okay, students, they are very small. Monocot flowers, if you observe, no, they are very, very small. You can't differentiate which are sepals, which are petals. Sepals, petals means you know, no? Green color part is known as sepals, colored part is known as petals. Okay, you can't see the flower also. How many petals you don't know, how many sepals you don't know, and from that flower also, you can't know which is sepal, which is petal. They are of same color only. Okay, no color. Yes, like this. So another one character is that for monocot plant, we can't differentiate flower into sepals, petals. Okay? Understood, students? In monocot plants, we can't differentiate flowers into sepals or petals. Just we'll say from flowers only fruits will come, seeds will come. So we say that it is a flower. But if I ask, students, show me sepals, petals. If I bring towards you the paddy flower and say you, students, separate sepals and petals means you will see like this. How man? You will see. Isn't it? So that is happened. But in case of dicots, no, you can easily differentiate. Either it may be small also, this much also. If you see the flower, this much also. Yellow color flowers are present for red gram. Now if you go towards the paddy fields or cotton fields, no, on the boundaries of cotton fields there are red gram plants they will show. If you observe that flowers, no, you will get into your mind. What is that? You can separate petals and sepals. They are less in number, like 3 to 4, less than 3 only. 3 only present, I think so. Sepals and petals, only 3. Okay, if you observe, only 3 are present, sepals and petals. You can easily differentiate. Means in dicot plants, either it may be very small also. You can, differentiate sepals and petals. And stamen also. But here, what about this? You can't see flower also. How you can say sepals, petals, androecium, gynoecium, stamen, ovary? You can't do anything to this. This is monocot. You can't do anything. This is dicot. You can easily observe everything. Okay? So this is about the monocots and dicots. Up to there, the table is. So name observation of seeds here. Okay, observation of seeds, it is there, 52, page number 52, students. Hey, why you all are laughing in the chatting? 52, page number 52, students. Observation of seeds. Shall I give some time for you to laugh, students? Lesson was have joke. What is the joke in it? What is the joke present in this lesson? I am confusing what's a joke. Let it. Shall we continue our class? Okay, collect some seeds from the plants of green gram, red gram, Bengal gram, wheat, paddy, groundnut, maize. Soak them for a day and observe them carefully. Take in maize seed and press it between your fingers. Does a small wheatish structure come out? Yes, students. Page number 52, students. If you crush maize, after what is that? Collect some seeds from the plants of green gram. Green gram, red gram, Bengal gram, wheat, paddy, groundnut, maize. You do today, students. It is easy to do for you. So soak them for a day and observe them carefully. So you have to soak them for a day and observe it carefully. Take in maize seed and press it between your fingers. What happens? If you press the maize, a white color structure will come. Does a small wheaty structure come out? Yes. Actually, maize seeds from fresh soft corn cobs would easily let this structure out. If they are young, then it will give out wheatish color, it seems. Observe it carefully. It is the baby plant or embryo. It is what it seems? Baby plant or embryo. Means what we can say? Here, small like this in between here, small like this it is present. Are you able to see? Small like this it is present, like this. Embryo means baby plant. The fertilization of sperm and egg cell will give embryo. There only the life is present for the next plant. Okay. The portion left in your hand within the seed coat has a single cotyledon or seedling. Repeat the activity with soaked whole grains of wheat and rice and other seeds as well. If you observe this Bengal gram chana dal seeds also, you keep it for one day and just you open, students, that one. In between you will find a small white color structure. Like how small like this structure, students, I mean to say is like this. I have drawn a small point like structure in between. For each and every seed, if you think this one as a peanut, that is groundnut, it is also having in between. Once you open the groundnut, students, once you open the groundnut will be like this, no? In between one is present. For another part, it will be having one like this. This one is having life to give rise to new plants. Now in your kitchen, if you have groundnut, beat it, you will get this type of structure. So every seed it will be having like this structure which will give rise to new plants. Okay? Students, session have finished. I mean to say is all the best for FA2 exams. Tomorrow we may have or we may not have biology class. Dichots and yes. You know, only some division you are going to learn, only basic. Very classification is there. Sometimes fruits, false fruits, true fruits, like that. Okay, all the best for your FA2 exam, students. What I mean to say is tomorrow we may have our biology class or not, we don't know. You are having the class. Tomorrow you are having the class at this time. All the best for FA2 exams. See you. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Learn this lesson. Okay, don't forget.